this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today, my new steel cable handrail system from senmit. Sure to keep your biggest friends on deck. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Now, I wanted to dress up this deck with a new handrail, but I didn't want to do the same old, same old. I wanted something modern and sleek and hardcore. So I ordered this steel cable handrail system from senmit. They sent me an easy diagram to follow. I marked out my posts on the deck and I was off to the races.
Set them at the edge of the deck and the holes should run parallel with the handrail.
Now these secure down with 4 lag bolts, super secure and super durable. And we try to get these to go into the stud framing if we can. I'm securing mine with a hex head impact for easy installation. After the bolts go in, the cover plate comes down to hide them. After the posts go in, we're ready to put the base cap on. Now these set right on top and then get secured at the top of the posts. Now everybody likes using their own kind of screws. I prefer these hex head self-tappers. These little black sleeves slip inside the handrail cap as a coupling and then secure down. Now the stair posts are different. They have a swivel head on them and made it easy to get the angle right. Let's make sure we get the level on it, check for plumb. I love this handrail system because the design was so simple. It's the posts with the handrail cap and the wire. I was not expecting the HP70 to show up. Now this crimper is awesome. It's got a hydraulic pump on it. It makes for easy crimping. And then it's got this little release knob. Tightens and loosens the pump. This hydraulic crimper comes with a magnetic die. So it's got all these different sizes and you just pick the ones you need and it pulls apart right here. It just pops off. And then you take the size that you need and pop it right in there. Now this cable system is sweet. We have our starter piece and we have our receiver piece. The receiver piece comes in 2 parts. It has a little threaded post that gets the wire crimped onto it. And of course, our Allen wrench to tighten up. So we're gonna take our starter piece and we're gonna slip it inside the crimper, just like so. And this is all about finesse, getting it right. I'm gonna move it to where the little crimping slot is right on my starter piece. After the wire goes in, I'm gonna move the crimper to the end of the starter piece, just like that. Just come down to towards the edge, just like so. That's where I'm gonna do my crimping. Now, right as it's right in the correct spot, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple squeezes. 1, 2 squeezes. Release the lever. And there we have our starter piece. Now when we get to the other side, this is the receiver piece. The wire goes into the threaded rod, gets crimped down, and after crimping, it goes into that receiver post to finish out the cable. Now we tighten it up with the Allen wrench. Go ahead, get your starter run, and now I'm feeding my threaded post side through the deck post. All right, a little bit of finesse, I'll put that in. Go ahead and pull it through. There we go. Go right in there. All right. Now once we pull it through and we're ready to end it off, you can see it comes to, and it about splits the post right there. That's how far I was usually cutting mine. We're gonna put our housing in and thread the threaded post on and get that tightened up. Put a pair of pliers on the wire and now use your Allen wrench to snug it down. Give it a couple turns. Sweet. I love this handrail. It looked so hardcore. and it really dressed up the deck. It's beautiful. You can see I went with every other hole I don't have a very big drop there, so I don't have a big handrail code. But if your handrail needs to be your spindles need to be 4 inches apart. But I love this. It really helped dress this deck up, and it was an awesome project. So very modern. And something else I loved about this is when leaves collect on your deck, you're able to just blow them off. Other handrail styles, you still have leaf issues. So this looks clean and sleek, and it does the job, and it's going to keep my big friends on deck. So if you're on the fence about which handrail to use, check out this cable handrail from senmit. I love mine. So if that video gave you the confidence to tackle a home repair around your house, go ahead and watch another video. I've got all kinds of instructional videos to help you learn to fix your home. Or check out the e-course. I hear great things, and maximize your fixability. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.